money as a system has to go. It is like using the Ring of Sauron. You can't do good things without depending upon supply chains that do lots of bad things.
If I cut down all the trees in an area, so now I get way worse floods, I also get way worse droughts. I also get increased extreme weather events in the area. So now this means all the people in the area end up moving from extreme weather events. Now I get resource conflicts, whereas now I have to invest in military industrial complex. Now, do trees prevent wars? Totally. Do trees prevent mass poverty and famine? Totally. Do trees house the bats that keep the mosquitoes down that prevent the malaria overgrowth? And do they also stabilize the topsoil that keeps the water clean for the fish that keep the mosquitoes down? Totally. So if I said, what would it cost for me to maintain the soil microbiota and the migratory pathways and the coral with known technologies, the tree would cost $1 trillion. And I will destroy $1 trillion of value to get $100 of lumber. It's like the only thing we internalize is the cost to us. And everything else is fucking all just stealing and raping.
Animation Vault.